Momos are my favorite, but because of the lockdown and current situation, it isn't a great idea to eat outside food. Hence, I tried making a healthier version of momos at home. I made non-veg momos with chicken liver stuffing and also veg momos with broccoli and paneer filling. Now let's see the process. I'm taking about 10 spoons of whole wheat atta and pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Adding hot water and mixing well. Hot water will make the dough soft and easier to knead. After adding water, I will let the atta rest for about 20 to 30 minutes until the water cools down a little. After about 30 minutes, we'll start kneading the atta and prepare a dough. Once done, I will keep it in a steel container and leave it in fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. In the meanwhile, I will make pudina chutney. We only use the leaves to make chutney and usually throw the stems. But you can keep them in a container like this or in a cup or coffee mug with some water. This will help them grow and you can get fresh mint leaves from your tiny kitchen garden itself. For the chutney, I am putting the mint leaves in the chutney jar. We'll add few spoons of water, pinch of ginger, lemon juice and grind this. You can also add green chili if you want the chutney to be spicy. Chutney is ready and now let's move to preparing the filling. I am making veg momos where the stuffing will be of broccoli and paneer. Take the required quantity of broccoli and onion and chop them in small pieces. You can add any vegetables that you like or is in season while preparing the stuffing. The best thing about making momos at home is that you can make this in your own way and prepare the stuffing with the things that you like to eat. Once done with chopping, heat up a pan and add oil. I'm using groundnut oil, but you can use any oil that you like. Once oil is heated up, start frying the onions until they turn golden brown. After that, add the broccoli and mix well, adding pink Himalayan salt as per taste and pinch of black pepper powder. Also adding a spoon of butter. I feel black pepper and butter goes really well with broccoli. But if you add turmeric with it, its taste is gone. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes and add a little bit of soya sauce. Meanwhile, I will also check if the dough is ready. Adding paneer, little more black pepper and switch off the flame and let this rest. I will knead the atta for few more minutes. And follow the usual process of making roti. I am making the momos in bigger size than usual, but you can give them any size or any shape that you want. For the non-veg momos, I am using these fried chicken liver that is cooked along with some onion, green chili and curry leaves. Once you have rotis in your desired size and shape, start putting the stuffing and seal it properly. Repeat the same process until you are done. Once you are done preparing all the momos, let them steam for about 30 to 35 minutes in full flame. I am using my idli stand for that. Once cooked, it will have a shiny color in it. Let them cool down for 5 to 10 minutes once they are ready and serve it hot with some chutney. So that was all about this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.